Imagine an Indian energy storage solution, engineered for the future. Vanadium flow batteries, VFBs, deliver unparalleled flexibility, scaling effortlessly to meet growing energy demands. Inherently safe, their non-flammable water-based electrolyte enables deep discharge without damage, translating to an exceptional lifespan of 25 years or more, and over 13,000 cycles with no capacity loss. With a 2-minute startup and rapid 0.02 second state switching, they respond instantly to grid fluctuations. And with Vanadium's full recyclability, these batteries deliver sustainable power without compromise. India isn't waiting for the future, it's building it. Over 4 megawatt-hours of vanadium flow batteries have already been installed across the country, with several new projects announced, including a 3,000 kilowatt-hours and a 100 megawatt-hours vanadium flow battery, both for India's power utility NTPC Limited, and V-Flowtech's projection to deploy up to 1 gigawatt-hour of VFBs across India over the next few years. Growth is surging. Combined, those new projects will require over 5,000 metric tons of pure vanadium. Behind this lies a secure and robust supply chain of Indian vanadium, electrolyte and battery manufacturers. And these batteries don't just power systems, they power policy. India has committed to a non-fossil fuel energy capacity of 500 gigawatts by 2030, backed by an energy storage obligation plan, and national goals to achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2070. Indian-made and Indian-supplied vanadium flow batteries are here. Powerful, proven, plentiful, engineered for what's next. To view all vanadium flow battery projects and find out more, visit vanitech.org.